I just got laid off.
If you are in the current job market and going through the exact same feelings and emotions, I want to tell you something. Your feelings are valid. It's okay to be emotional after you've lost a job. It's okay if there's something going on in terms of corporate restructuring or just the job economy itself, and it gets you down. It gets you down because you put a lot of hard work into that job, and to get let go for any reason is hard and hurtful. I want you to know the only way that you can move forward is with a path and a plan. So if you need assistance, I want you to feel every emotion. I want you to get all of that out. And when you come up the next day and you're ready to finally hit the ground running to find you your next job and your next steps, I want you to go to legacycareersllc.com because there are services available. No fluff, no BS. These are real services that are not just giving you a resume and not just giving you job leads. This is a connection and a home to build, to update your resume, to give you those job leads, to give you access to services that will actually land you a job. It also includes one-on-one career coaching sessions so we can help prep you for that next interview because I don't want you just to simply land a job after this. I want you to get a career and a career opportunity that you can love and enjoy going to every day because that's exactly what you deserve and that's what we all deserve in 2025. So take this time, grieve that loss of that job, but when you're ready to come back and fight for the next one, make sure you go to legacycareersllc.com because we'll be here waiting for you and more. If you need anything else, career warriors, please let me know. Peace.